More effort and specialized equipment are required in replacing a sealed bearing than replacing a complete wheel hub and bearing combination. Bearings can become worn over time and start to generate additional noise and friction. In order to replace a sealed wheel bearing, many steering and brake components must be removed before the bearing itself can be removed. Once these components have been removed, the CV axle is taken out after the axle nut is loosened. The wheel hub is removed by the sliding action of a slide hammer. Once the wheel hub has been removed, the inner race of the bearing is extracted from the back of the hub. The snap ring is taken out so the wheel bearing can be removed from the steering knuckle by use of a special tool and impact gun. The new bearing is greased and pressed into the steering knuckle, followed by the replacement of the snap ring. The wheel hub is pressed into place with a special tool. The CV axle and all brake components are replaced to complete the job.